Hello and welcome to this week's economic roundup. In today's video, we will dive into the latest economic data from around the globe and explore what it means for markets and for investors. Let's get started. Last week, the US economy was in the spotlight with several key data releases, particularly focusing on inflation. Despite expectations, the Consumer Price Index (CPI) came in lighter than anticipated, and retail sales data showed a significant growth. This combination increased investors' confidence about the potential Federal Reserve rate cut in September, with the likelihood now viewed over 70%. Furthermore, Fed Chair Jerome Powell's recent comments suggested confidence in reaching the 2% inflation target, which also led to a decline in the US Treasury yields. Gold investors took note, driving prices close to historic highs. Across the pond, the UK presented a mixed bag of economic data. The labor market showed increased unemployment rate alongside a rise in the average weekly earnings, suggesting the Bank of England might cut interest rates to stimulate the economy. The pound saw notable gains this week, benefiting from these developments. In Japan, the yen faced continued loss despite the government's last interventions, exacerbated by diverging monetary policies and the last GDP data indicating a sharper than expected contraction in the first quarter, complicating the Bank of Japan task of managing inflation and supporting economic growth amid structural challenges and global uncertainties. The euro strengthened this week, supported by recent inflation data that confirmed the ongoing disinflation trend, with economic sentiment improving in Germany and across the eurozone. There is growing anticipation of potential rate cut by the ECB in June, which has positively influenced the euro. This coming week promises more key insights. In the United States, we will keep an eye on speeches from Federal Reserve members and the release of PMI flash data to gain further clarity on the US economic health. Additionally, durable goods data coming out on Friday will be crucial. The Eurozone is set for the release of PMI data, which will indicate whether improved sentiment is translating into real economic process. We will also look at the consumer confidence and data, closely monitor GDP figures from Germany. In the UK, inflation data will be critical to see if the disinflationary trend continues with the 2.7% rate expected. PMI data and retail sales will also provide insight into the economic pressures. In Asia, the Reserve Bank of Australia's upcoming meeting and Japan's PMI data post-quarter first GDP decline will be significant. Additionally, Chinese decisions on its loan rates will be crucial. That's all for this week's economic roundup. Stay tuned for the next week's update. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on global economics. See you on the next video.